Hey everyone, quick update on the Sympa portable noise machine before you get to the unboxing in a few seconds. I wanted to share my 3 favorite things about it after testing it out and getting used to it. First one, it's great for anyone to use. I know it's marketed towards babies, but our kids tried it out and it was fun for them to use. Also, if you're an adult or a college student, or even for your young kids, if they need like a noise machine in the background to put away distractions or anything while they're trying to sleep, this is good for them as well. The second thing is it has a long battery life. It's supposed to last up to 16 hours on a full charge, so that's another good point about it. And the third thing is it has 10 soothing sounds, so it's fun to choose between all the different sounds, everything from water to piano to heartbeat, and crickets. So those were 3 of my favorite things. So now you can watch the unboxing. Hello everyone, I was sent this Sympa portable white noise machine for the purpose of this review. It has 10 soothing sounds. It should establish healthy sleep. It has a volume control and it's compact and portable. So we're going to open this up. It has a USB-C charging cable. You will need to have your own wall charger to plug this into, or some kind of USB charging device. Currently comes in white and green. I have the white one, obviously. Here's the instruction manual. It's a very nice looking sound machine. It has this where you can use it to hang different places. It's a nice and soft. It looks really good. It's not too heavy. Has a nice kind of fabric feel on the front there. So it has 2 timers, a 16 and 120 minute timer. Here's the volume control. Here's the power button. And here's the light mode. So you can see, just turn on the light mode like that. It's a nice soft light. To cycle through the sounds, you press this button here. Okay, so here's the timer feature. You can see that blue light there. When you click the timer, this is on 60 minutes, and then this is on 120 minutes. Then you can turn that off. It also has a locking feature. If you turn that on, you won't be able to use the buttons here. You won't be able to change the settings. It keeps it on its current setting. I do have young kids, and it's nice for them to be able to sleep with the different music here. They can choose their own sound effect. It keeps all background noises and distractions away and lets them sleep peacefully. So I hope this review helped. Thanks for watching.